Hello, good day everyone. My name is Yahya Jibrin Danjuma. Today's class will be on solving this particular quadratic equation. And first, we have the question stating that one of the roots of the quadratic equation is 3 times the other. And we are also asked to find the values of k and the roots of the quadratic equations. Now, first, we say let alpha and beta be the roots of the equation. Then, if one of the roots is 3 times the other, then we can say the alpha and what 3 alpha. Let's call this equals to beta. Then we say that the sum of the roots is equal to alpha plus beta, which is what minus b over a, and the product of the root, which is alpha beta, is what c over a. But first, to get our b and a, to get our a, b, c, we need to write down the quadratic equation, which is x squared minus what kx plus 12 is equal to 0. Comparing this with the general quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We have that a is 1, b is minus k, and our c is what 12. So therefore, the sum of the root, which is alpha plus beta, which is the same thing as alpha plus what 3 alpha, which is the same thing as 4 alpha, is the same thing as what minus b. B is minus k over what a, which is what k. So therefore 4 alpha is equals to what k. I'll call this what equation 1. Now to find the product of the roots, which is alpha beta, which is the same thing as alpha open bracket 3 alpha, is equal to 3 alpha squared, which is the same thing as c over e. Our c is 12, a is 1, which is equals to what 12. So this implies that 3 alpha squared is equal to 12. With this, we can find the value of alpha by dividing both sides by 3 and taking the square root. So we have 3 alpha squared by 3 is equals to what 12 over 3. This implies that alpha squared is equals to what 12 by 3 is what 4. Now taking the square root of both sides, so we have that alpha is equals to the square root of 4, that is plus minus, which is what the plus minus what 2. Now we have our alpha to be equals to what plus or minus 2. Now to get the value of k, now we substitute this into this value here, this equation 1 here. So we have therefore 4 alpha is equals to k. This implies that 4 open bracket plus or minus 2 is equals to k. So we have that our k is equals to plus or minus 2 times 4 gives us what plus or minus 8. So the values of k is equal to 8 and what minus 8. Now we are asked also to find the roots of the equation. So one of the root is alpha, the second is what beta, which is 3 alpha. So therefore we have alpha to be plus or minus 2, beta is equal to 3 alpha, which is equal to 3 open bracket plus or minus 2, and we have it to be what plus or minus 6. So therefore the roots are plus or minus 2 and plus or minus 6, and k is equal to 8 and what minus 8. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.